Okay, now we're mounting our power sensor. You may have noticed in the previous film that when we had it mounted, it was coming off of the front of the upper mast. Okay, we have this blue tape pointing north. When you're in the northern hemisphere, you want to have your power sensor facing south to prevent shading from other instruments, such as the wind speed and direction sensor. Okay, the height is not so important, but if you are trying to measure radiation reaching the plant canopy, it's good to have the sensor at the plant canopy level. Okay, that's not the case here. We're just trying to mount it at this point. Okay, I've leveled the upper mast using the level here and adjusting my tie wraps and whatnot. As well, I've leveled the lower mast here using that level as well. I also have a bubble level for the top of the power sensor to level it. There are two screws on the bottom of the sensor that keep it tight to the bracket that we've mounted to the upper mast using the two U-bolts. Okay, those two Phillips head screws holding the sensor to the arm here should be loose. You then use the three little black thumb screws here to get the bubble on the bubble level centered. Once the bubble's centered, you tighten up the Phillips head screws and you're good to go. Okay, now you should be able to take the upper mast, install it onto the lower mast, and because everything has been level, it should continue to be level once you get it up there.